So, those lights are turned off, so I know there's no power running through the. You're here because I tested these before. Okay. Now, I forgot to show you the wiring diagram. I'm about to check it too. Okay. On Amazon, where I ordered this, they had one of their images, a wiring diagram. So that told me the brown wire is live line input. The white wire is live line output. So that just means the switch goes between the brown wire and the white wire. And usually in America, the neutral would be white, but in this case, the neutral line, according to this diagram, is blue. So we do blue to white, black to either one of these. I don't think either one of the other ones. I don't think it matters. If it doesn't work, I'll try switching it. So, try running yellow wire next. Yeah, that works. So, I want this facing this way because the option bending it out now. Care more about what happens in the front of the garage than behind the garage. Side of it. So, blue, white. So you got on ceiling fans, the blue wire is usually the fan hot wire. And you have a separate wire for the lighting if you're lighting them by. Okay. And I'm going to call that one I'd been over earlier the out. And the out is what color? The line out is white, so it goes one of the black wires, and the line in is brown. I don't know if you can read this at all, but there's the wires labeled. Yeah, if I hold it nice and close, you can probably read it. It might be, no. I think it's probably all backwards because I got this thing in selfie mode. The mirror image in it. So. Okay. So. Actually, there is no white. The diagram is long, it's red and brown. So I'm still going to say the brown is the line in. I'm going to call this one the line in. Because all these wires are already pushed to the spot. And I'm not going to pull them out the front of that. Okay, I'm going to straighten this back out. So red, line out, and I'm going to marry it. Just has to have a complete circuit. could matter if the power that makes this thing go depends on the line in to be hot all the time. That could affect it, and then in that case, it's just not going to work right now. Swap it. So much easier to do it this way and get a lot of time pulling the wire out, pushing it back in. That could be about impossible to push it back in without hooking fish tape to it first. That takes half a day. All right, so I'm going to go turn the light switch on and see what happens. It's working. The lights came on as soon as I turned the switch on, then the timer shut them off until I climbed up the ladder, and they came back on. So, got it on the first try. Well, I had a 50-50 chance of getting that in and out wire correctly. So, as you can see here, let's set up this here. It's working. I stand very still. They'll probably go back off. Yep, there. Did you see that? They just went back off. Now they're back on again because I moved. So sweet. So my first success putting up a 110 volt multi sensor. This will actually take 222 because in here I got everything to 220 anyway. It runs on, I think, minimum of like 50 volts. It said. So, and these are LED lights. So even though the internal wiring in that thing is like real high gauge number, means it's really thin. These LEDs won't pull. Two of them together probably pull about 40 watts, and not any amps to speak of. So we're good to go there. So this screwdriver here happens to be my most favorite Phillips head screwdrivers. I got it. It was like the cheapest one where you could buy an individual screwdriver at Home Depot, and it's got a point on there that'll fit virtually any size of Phillips screw, and it just fits every screw. It's amazing. Kind of a live control live test. I'm trying to touch nothing but the wire. Just in case something happens, I'm touching nothing but the wire now. This is live wires. I found this poked in through the drywall when we moved in. Looked like they were using it as a hook, or trying to use it as a hook. It's a broken off hand screwdriver, no handle. So, but it will work perfect hole. Move it up. The other side. All right. I got it.
I'm going to bite the bullet, use one of the original big long screws. I'm afraid that's going to come out. So it should be easier to start. You want to build up your forearm, just get some big long screws and screw them in and out a bunch of times. Yeah, it's really good. Okay, that's another one for 48-inch level, signing out. I will revisit the dials if I need to set them, but so far they're just set the factory presets. I didn't mess with them. I don't want to. I got way more things to do than mess with a combination of 3 dials that can be in an infinite number of positions. So, as I said, it's 48-inch level, signing out.